In this video, we can see just how well-trained the police are. The suspect was caught in the middle of a robbery and tried to make a run for it. What followed was an intense parkour-style chase. You really need to be in top shape as an officer to keep up with something like this.
Out, Devin. Put your hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. You gotta grab it.
It honestly looks like a scene straight out of Subway Surfers. The original video doesn't really have great sound, so let's fix that ourselves. Two Chicago police officers on duty witnessed a confrontation between two individuals. One of them, Louis Gordon Hay, had a firearm tucked in his back pocket. When the officers approached, he fled into a nearby house.
I'll shoot you! No! I'll shoot you! Put your hands up!
The situation escalated quickly.
Hey, get the gummies here! What the fuck? Why did he go off? Let it go, let it go! Let it go! Let it go! Let it go! Let the fucking gun go! No! Yes! Let it go!
Anybody out there on his own with
Don't let the damn gun go! No, I ain't going back here. Put your hands. No! Don't let the gun go! Let it go! Kill me! No. Let it go! Let the gun go before they kill your ass! No! Stop! No! Oh, don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
111 and Racine is
stop!
2213. Can I make the car?
What? Shots fired! Too much shots fired! Emergency! Emergency! Ah, fuck! Emergency! Ah, fuck! 2213 emergency. Shots fired by police. By police squad. Send EMS. You okay? You
Unison 5 in on citywide. We're getting Unison 22 on citywide. We're getting shots fired.
Get up!
Shots fired by the police. 2213 is at 111 and Racine. 111 and Racine.
Hey, hurry up, squad. Hyman, you okay?
All right, 10-4. Do we have a police officer shot?
Don't know, squad. I'm trying to see my partner. Partner!
All right, 10-4. Sergeant for 2213.
One of the officers ran back to the squad car to grab a first aid kit after shooting the suspect. Following the struggle, the officers were left with bruises and scratches. The suspect was later pronounced dead at the hospital. Not every police situation involves criminals or gunfire. For instance, in this clip, we see an officer on patrol who notices a fawn stuck in a fence and decides to help it.
Hey, little guy. gonna try to help you there. You're gonna hurt yourself. But... Okay. There you go. There you go.
You can clearly see the fawn running off joyfully, most likely back to its mother, a truly heartwarming gesture by the officer. Another heartwarming act by a police officer took place on October 12, 2016. A desperate father called 911 because his little boy had stopped breathing.
County 911, what's the address of your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. My son is, we're at KFC and my son's not breathing.
Okay, is he not breathing at all?
He's not responding.
Okay, and you said you're at KFC.
Officer Chase Miller was in the area and heard the call. Dispatch sent an ambulance, but it was still minutes away. Officer Miller managed to reach the scene in just 60 seconds. Had the officer not acted immediately, had he left it all to the ambulance, thinking it wasn't his responsibility, that child likely wouldn't have survived. Officer Chase Miller wanted to stay in touch with the family after the incident. Here, you can see some photos of them together. In this next case, an officer is involved in an armed confrontation with a 17-year-old who was armed and driving a stolen vehicle. The officer jumps out of his car and begins shouting at 3 suspects who turned out to be deceased individuals inside the vehicle. Fortunately, they are not visible in the footage, and honestly, you wouldn't want to see that.
Need some hands! Hands! Hands up now! Get him up! Got multiple parties running, I got a party with a gun!
Officer Hines fired 12 rounds, one of which struck the suspect in the ankle, shattering a bone. Thankfully, this public danger was captured.
Gun! They're southbound, shots fired! Shots fired, southbound. I got a male wearing a tank top, black tank top. He's gonna be just south of this. He had the gun. Be careful. Do not move! 1100 block, Federal Grove Alley. He's down, he's shot in the leg, starting ambulance. Code 10, had it stand by. This way, this way! I got 2 suspects outstanding. They're running southbound through this alley. I lost them. They went this way. Red shirt. Yeah, this way. I lost him. Red shirt on one of them. Negative. 41 Sam, I'm involved. I'm not injured.
41 Sam,
My leg! Bro, my fucking leg!
You been patted down?
My leg! Bro, my leg!
Yes, 2 suspects. The driver of the vehicle is the one who's here in custody. The other 2 are passengers. They fled southbound in the 1100 block of Federal Grove. One, I believe, was a female, looked young, wearing a red shirt. I couldn't see him very well. It's the male. Situation's under control. I'm going to stop recording.
The teen, who has since turned 18, was found guilty of making violent threats. He was sentenced to juvenile prison for a period of 1 to 2 years. Police in Marysville received a call about a possible case of child luring. A 50-year-old man was allegedly trying to coax a 13-year-old girl into his car, or at least away from where she was. When officers arrived, the suspect tried to flee, but his car had other plans. The vehicle caught fire during the chase. That's what happens when you skip maintenance. You can't even run from the cops properly. Fortunately, the suspect was quickly apprehended. Meanwhile, the car kept burning until it was completely destroyed. Sometimes, destiny itself lends a hand in making the job easier for the police. No one was injured during the chase or the vehicle fire. We've reached the end of today's compilation. Each of these cases shows just how unpredictable encounters between police and suspects can be. Tell us in the comments which moment shocked you the most and how you would have reacted in a similar situation. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.